Tonight, we investigate whether employees of a county attorney may have broken a law. It's all connected to the mess at the St. Paul Crime Lab. Court documents we obtained indicate the Dakota County Attorney's Office knew about potential problems at that lab in late March, but that didn't stop them from sending drug cases to the lab. 5 Eyewitness News reporter Jay Coles investigated what this means and is live outside the crime lab tonight. Jay.
Jess, it means simply this. Any case that Dakota County sent here to the St. Paul Crime Lab after April 1st could be in jeopardy, and it could spell trouble for Dakota County Attorney James Backstrom. This is the type of work the St. Paul Crime Lab does, and a legal review found its testing of evidence was flawed in drug cases. The head of the drug lab has been replaced, and 3 counties no longer send drug cases to the lab. And now we found evidence that Dakota County prosecutors knew about the potential problems, but still sent drug cases there for testing. Defense attorney Chuck Ramsey calls that a big legal and ethical problem.
Then they themselves may have committed unethical conduct by prosecuting cases without probable cause.
Here's what we found. These notes from an assistant Dakota County prosecutor are dated March 30th. They outline serious deficiencies in testing evidence in drug cases. And this email, dated April 27th, shows the second in command at the Dakota County Attorney's Office was apprised of the situation.
At that point in time, in my opinion, the Dakota County Attorney's Office should have notified every defendant with a pending case arising out of that crime lab.
The Dakota County Prosecutor's Office could not tell us how many cases were sent to the lab after March 30th. We checked every Dakota County criminal complaint between April 1st and July 15th. Here's what we found. There were 52 drug arrests with some type of drug testing done. Of those, 15 indicate they went directly to the St. Paul Crime Lab.
The Dakota County Attorney's Office should have checked the procedures that were being followed or not followed by the crime lab.
Now, we were told Dakota County Attorney James Backstrom was the only one who could answer our questions. We were told he was out of town and unavailable. Now, they did issue a statement saying, in part, they met with the crime lab officials several times after April 1st and were assured there were no problems. Jess?
So, Jay, could this new information actually make a difference then in those drug cases that you even found?
Potentially, yes. Now, each case is radically different from the others, so it'll come down to the individual defense attorneys, but you can bet defense attorneys will file motions to have these drug tests at least redone at another lab at the very minimum, hoping to maybe possibly have these charges thrown out on their clients. So it does have that potential to be far-reaching, Jess.
All right, Jay Coles reporting live for us in St. Paul tonight. Thanks, Jay. Bill Lund picks